Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Promotes Art, and today we will learn about close-up shots. What is a close-up shot? Well, let's find out. Close-ups are one of the most important shots in the vocabulary. A close-up, in short CU, would generally be from the top of the head to somewhere just below the shirt pocket or till the shoulder line. If the shot is just above the shirt pocket area, it is often called as head and shoulders. In close-ups, viewers experience the character's facial expressions, thoughts, and feelings. Through close-up shots, one can evaluate or experience the performance of an actor or actress. Now, let's see some variations of close-up shots. Let's start from medium close-up, in short MCU. Starts from just above the character's head to mid-chest or till the chest line. You can also call it head to chest. Then we have choker. A choker would be from the top of the head to just below the chin. Tight close-up. A tight close-up would be cutting off just a little bit of the head and ends just under the chin, framing the eyes, nose and mouth. Then we have extreme close-up, in short ECU. ECU frames can be used to show the character's specific area. This could be only lips, ears, nose and eyes. But the eyes are most commonly used. ECU sometimes called a Sergio Leone after the Italian director who used ECU frequently. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button if you like this video and share with your friends who are interested in filmmaking. I request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.